If you have curly or textured hair, you know that wash day can sometimes feel like a struggle. Tangles, product buildup, and uneven rinsing can make the process frustrating. But what if your shower tool could help detangle and rinse your hair at the same time? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. Today, we're reviewing the Delta VersaCurl Detangling Shower Tool, a unique handheld shower tool designed specifically for curly hair care. Instead of replacing your regular shower head, this tool works alongside it to help make wash day easier, gentler, and more efficient. Let's take a closer look at its features. Step 1. Detangle. One of the standout features of the VersaCurl tool is its detangling system. The tool includes 3 interchangeable brush inserts designed to work with different curl types and hair routines. These inserts use soft, flexible teeth that help loosen knots while water flows through the tool. Because the bristles are flexible, they reduce pulling and breakage while helping conditioner and water move evenly through the hair. You can easily swap the inserts by unlocking the back of the tool, removing one insert, and locking a new one in place. This design allows users to experiment and find the insert that works best for their curls. Many users prefer detangling while conditioner is still in the hair, which helps the brush glide smoothly and reduces stress on the scalp. Step 2. Spray. The VersaCurl tool also features 2 spray settings and a convenient pause button. With a simple press of the control button, you can switch between spray modes or pause the water flow entirely. The stronger spray helps deeply rinse shampoo, conditioner, and product buildup from the scalp. The gentler setting works well while detangling curls to avoid excessive pressure on the hair. Another helpful feature is the long 72-inch hose, which provides excellent flexibility and reach. This makes it easier to position the tool exactly where you need it during your routine, whether you're rinsing your hair or helping someone else wash theirs. Step 3. Install. Installing the VersaCurl tool is also very simple. First, remove your existing shower head from the shower arm. Next, install the diverter, which allows water flow to switch between your regular shower head and the VersaCurl tool. After the diverter is secured, reconnect the shower head and attach the hose to the outlet on the diverter. Then, connect the other end of the hose to the VersaCurl tool itself. The kit also includes a wall mount that can be placed at a comfortable height for easy access. Once everything is hand-tightened and secured, simply turn on the water and use the diverter to switch between your shower head and the VersaCurl tool. And that's it! A simple upgrade that can make your shower routine easier and more comfortable. If this review helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more simple faucet and shower guides. See you in the next video!